So, how do we go from this to this? Well, in this short video, I'm going to show you. So, we flipped this home, and in this basement room, it was all paneling. We tore that down because it was water damaged and warped and hung drywall. Well, the drywall guys didn't consider our outlet boxes, so now the depth of the outlet is too much to receive an outlet plate. You can see that there's a big gap because the outlet itself is inside of the wall too much. So I'm going to show you how to fix it with this. It's very cheap, very simple. I've already opened the bag, but it is called a Flex Fit leveling plate. You can get these from Home Depot. There's the model number. Use the 0 and 4 at the beginning and end. Type that into the Home Depot app and it'll pull right up. Very easy to do. So take one of these, right? If you look at it, on one end it says up. There's nothing on the back side, so this is going to be at the top. First thing we want to do is loosen on our screws a bit. You do not have to take these screws all the way out. Make sure the power's off to the home. That goes without saying, but I will say it anyway. And if you don't feel comfortable doing this, as everyone else says, get a licensed professional to do this for you. Now this is very simple. You take this plate, slide it on the top, make sure that this slides in behind it, like so. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. There you go. Keep up with your screws. Get this back into the box. Now, when I get to this part, I don't like to use a drill. I'll take my 6-way here and just hand tighten these screws. So what this is doing is it's pulling the outlet against our flush plate. And since the flush plate is on the surface of the drywall, it will not allow the outlet to be tightened deep within the drywall. So now that that's done, we can set our outlet plate on like so. Again, doing this with one hand, bear with me. And there you go. I don't know if y'all are a vertical or a horizontal guy. I am a vertical guy. It doesn't matter, but I like to have all my cover plate screws vertical. And there you have it. We are flush. The outlet is as it should be. And it's that simple. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment below what you think. And yes, the outlets are upside down. Every outlet in this home is upside down. The outlets work. It's not worth my time to switch every single outlet in the house right side up. So not doing it. There's no value in that for me. But other than that, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.